This video is on toilet training and what you can do to make it more successful and engaging for your child. Now, if you haven't tried using a timer when your child is on the toilet, this may be a useful strategy, especially for helping to manage any kind of urinary accidents. The reason we want to use a timer is because we want to keep a child on the toilet so that way they have full bladder emptying. So that way they're not just going very quickly, but rather sitting on the toilet, getting a chance to really relax and getting a chance to really empty the bladder. So using a timer while they're in the bathroom can be very successful in helping a child not rush and helping a child learn to relax a little bit, and again, in really encouraging that full bladder emptying. So if your child is having a little bit of accidents from time to time, some urinary accidents, try using the timer on the toilet and seeing if that extended time helps to prevent accidents and really allow the bladder to empty more fully.
Put 'em back up on the shelf.